Let's look at the steps required to set up a new user to have access to the application. It's just a few simple steps, and you can set up a user that may be your consultant, maybe your manager, and you have full control over setting up new users and controlling their rights. So let's walk through the steps to do that. The first thing you want to do is go to the top level of the application. Right now, we're on a station, so we're going to click up to the top level. This is going to bring you to your top dashboard. And on this dashboard, the very last widget called Overview has this Send an Invite. So the second row down, you can view any pending invites that you've sent already, or you can send out a new invite. So let's click on that. And here, it's going to ask for a name. I'll just put mine in. And then an email address. Then the next thing you need to decide is what level of access you want this user to have. A customer administrator would have full access and can do anything in the application. They have full rights. A user manager, the second level, can just manage users. So they can't configure or rename things or change assets, but they can set up new user accounts and manage users. So that may be a manager or somebody in the office. And then group manager can actually rename fields, rename sets, build new sets, but they can't control users. So there's really three levels of additional rights. If you don't choose any of these levels, the user would have read-only rights. But in this case, we're going to set myself up as a customer administrator, so I have full rights. Then we can send a quick email message along with the invite. So I'll just put welcome to PureSense. And when we hit send, this will send an email out to the user, and the email will have the steps and a link to follow for them to complete setting up their account and setting up their password. Really, that's all that's involved. It's very simple to set up users.